In this video tutorial, you will learn how to restart your WordPress website. You can do this if you have an old website and you just want to start new without any posts, pages, or the theme and plugins you have. As you can see here, I have some plugins installed on this website. If I go to the installed plugins, you can see that I have many more plugins on this website. If I go to themes, you see that I have multiple themes installed. And lastly, if I go to my pages, you can see I have so many pages here. I can remove all of them one by one, but by doing it manually, you might not be able to remove them properly. So the best way to do this is by using the wpreset plugin. So go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type wpreset. This is the plugin we are looking for. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see this plugin has a very good rating, and you can check here if it is compatible with your version of WordPress or not. After the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you will be redirected to the plugins page. Scroll down to the wpreset plugin. And click on Open wpreset Tools. Now scroll all the way down to the Site Reset. You can choose how you want to reset your website here. Whether you want to reactivate the current theme, reactivate the wpreset plugin, or reactivate your active plugins, you can choose this however you like. Then click here and type Reset. Then click on Reset Site. You will get a warning message. If you do not want to go forward with the reset, then this is your chance to cancel it. Otherwise, just click on Reset WordPress. And once the reset is complete, if I go to my themes, you will see that the default theme is now active. If I go to my plugins, you can see that all the plugins are deactivated except the wpreset plugin. And finally, if I go to my pages, you can see that all the pages are now gone. This is how you can restart your WordPress website. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.